Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best pressure washer pumps that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're in the market for a replacement or an upgrade for your pressure washer, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the TOOLCY pressure washer pump. This heavy-duty pump is designed to handle the toughest jobs with a maximum pressure of 4,400 psi and an impressive flow rate of 4.2 GPM. It's built for horizontal gas engines with a 1-inch shaft, making it a fantastic choice for high-performance residential and light commercial tasks such as cleaning driveways, decks, and fences. The fully anodized black crankcase and solid brass pump head offer exceptional durability, while the triplex plunger design ensures smooth and powerful operation. One standout feature is the adjustable unloader, which allows you to fine-tune the pressure output to match your engine's performance and your cleaning needs. The pump also includes a sight glass for easy oil level monitoring, and it comes pre-filled with oil, so it's ready to go right out of the box. While the TOOLCY pump is clearly built to last, it's worth noting that it's on the heavier side at 20.1 pounds, which might not be ideal for users looking for a more portable option. This pump is perfect for users with 9 to 15 HP engines or 270 to 340 cc motors, making it compatible with models like the Honda GX340 and GX390. While it's one of the more premium options on our list, the TOOLCY pump justifies its price with its exceptional build quality and robust performance. Pros include its high PSI rating, durable materials, and adjustable unloader, while the primary con is its weight and bulkiness. Coming in at number 4 is the Easy Job pressure washer pump. This vertical shaft pump is an excellent replacement option for gas-powered washers with 7/8-inch shafts and engines ranging from 4 to 7 HP. With a PSI range of 2,400 to 2,800 and a maximum flow rate of 2.5 GPM, it's a versatile choice for homeowners tackling medium-duty cleaning tasks. It's compatible with popular brands like Ryobi, Troy-Bilt, and Craftsman, but make sure to double-check your washer's specifications before purchasing. The Easy Job pump is designed for convenience, featuring pre-filled oil, a double seal system, and an easy start valve. The thermal relief valve and unloader help maintain performance and extend the pump's lifespan by preventing overheating. The aluminum construction keeps the weight manageable at just over 7 pounds, making this pump relatively easy to handle. However, its PSI range is lower than some other options on this list, which might limit its effectiveness for heavy-duty tasks. This pump is a good pick for users looking for a no-fuss replacement that's easy to install and maintain. The pre-sale and after-sale support from Easy Job is also worth noting, as they promise 24-hour customer service to address any concerns. The pros of the Easy Job pump include its affordability, ease of installation, and compatibility with a wide range of washers. On the downside, the lower PSI range makes it less suitable for very demanding jobs. At number 3, we have the Hourleey 3/4-inch shaft horizontal pressure washer pump. This pump offers a solid combination of performance and convenience, with a maximum pressure of 3,400 psi and a flow rate of 2.5 GPM. Designed to fit a wide range of gas-powered washers, including those from Simpson, Ryobi, and Honda, it's an excellent replacement option for users who need a reliable pump for medium to heavy-duty cleaning tasks. The Hourleey pump features a maintenance-free design with pre-filled oil and a double seal system to prevent leaks. It's also equipped with a thermal relief valve to protect against overheating during extended use. Installation is straightforward, and the pump comes with all the necessary hardware, including bolts, a shaft key, and a detergent hose. However, the aluminum construction, while lightweight at just over 7 pounds, may not be as durable as brass or stainless steel alternatives. This pump is ideal for users who want a hassle-free replacement that doesn't compromise on performance. The pros include its high PSI rating, ease of installation, and compatibility with popular washer brands. The cons are its aluminum build, which may not be as long-lasting as some other materials, and its lack of advanced features like an adjustable unloader. At number 2 is the YAMATIC 3/4-inch shaft horizontal pressure washer pump. With a maximum pressure of 3,400 psi and a flow rate of 2.5 GPM, this pump is designed for heavy-duty residential cleaning tasks like washing houses, vehicles, and sidewalks. It's compatible with a variety of popular washer brands, including Honda, Simpson, and Karcher, and features an adjustable unloader for fine-tuning the pressure output. The YAMATIC pump is built to last. With an upgraded double seal system, a one-piece pump head, and a thermal relief valve to prevent overheating. It's also pre-filled with oil for lifetime use, eliminating the need for maintenance. What really sets this pump apart is its easy start system, which reduces the effort required to start your washer. However, at 0.8 ounces, it's surprisingly lightweight, which might raise durability concerns for some users. This pump is a fantastic option for users who want a high-performance replacement with minimal maintenance requirements. The pros include its robust build quality, adjustable unloader, and compatibility with multiple brands. The cons are its lightweight design, which might not inspire confidence in heavy-duty scenarios, and its slightly higher price point compared to other options. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.